This 2020 Starcraft Mossy Oak 20 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 23 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, skylight, LP detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, microwave, slide-out, DVD player, water heater, stovetop burner, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Couples Coach. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Starcraft Mossy Oak 20 FBS is 4,380 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.